Chisarira National Park is situated on the Zambezi Escarpment in the northwest part of Zimbabwe, overlooking the Great Zambezi Valley and the upper waters of Lake Kariba. A remote area of 192,000 hectares of wilderness country with magnificent gorges, plateau and flat plains, this national park is unique and in a class of its own. The area is relatively undeveloped and road conditions are rough within the park. There are 6 exclusive camping sites established at present, each of which is limited to one party of a maximum of 12 persons. Kashwishwi Bush Camp is situated on the upper reaches of the Lucy Lekulu River, 6 km from the park headquarters. This camp has the best facilities. Facilities consist of 2 sleeping shelters, 1 dining shelter with concrete table and benches, plus a braai area. The camp also boasts an ablution block, with flush toilet, shower and a kitchen area, all with hot water. The Mucheni View campsite is situated on the verge of the escarpment, overlooking the valley and in the distance Lake Kariba.